Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we'll explore easy customizations, flavor combinations, and ways to boost protein and fiber in your banana smoothie. Digestive help: how smoothies keep your tummy happy. Fiber is key to a healthy digestive system, and bananas are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps stabilize blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Because the blender processes the fruit, a smoothie is incredibly easy for your stomach to handle. Your body does not have to work as hard to break down tough plant fibers. This makes the nutrients easily accessible, a valuable benefit for people with sensitive digestive systems. Quick recovery fuel after exercise. For athletes or anyone who enjoys a challenging workout, a banana smoothie is almost the perfect recovery drink. During intense exercise, your muscles use stored energy called glycogen. They also lose electrolytes, mainly potassium and sodium, through sweat. A banana smoothie provides two crucial things post-workout: quick-acting carbohydrates from the fruit to restore glycogen stores, and ample potassium to rebalance electrolytes. Blending in a protein source, like yogurt or protein powder, adds the amino acids necessary for muscle repair, making it a complete recovery meal replacement. Level up your blender: easy ways to customize your banana smoothie. The classic banana smoothie is satisfying, but its simple flavor profile makes it an excellent base for experimentation. Think of the basic recipe as a blank canvas. By adding simple ingredients, you can drastically alter the flavor, texture, and nutritional value to meet your specific health goals. Supercharge your smoothie: simple protein and fiber boosts. If you rely on a smoothie to replace a meal, adding extra protein and fiber is essential to maintain fullness. Adding ingredients that slow digestion prevents you from getting hungry shortly after finishing your drink. Consider these simple additions. Protein powder. 1 scoop of whey or plant-based protein powder instantly turns a snack into a meal. Yogurt. A dollop of Greek yogurt adds thickness and essential probiotics for gut health, plus a hefty dose of protein. Seeds. Chia seeds or ground flax seeds are silent heroes. They are flavorless but swell up in the liquid, adding fiber, healthy fats, and creating a wonderfully thick texture. The fiber content helps you feel fuller longer. Awesome flavor combinations beyond just vanilla. While the basic smoothie tastes naturally sweet and faintly of vanilla, you can easily introduce new flavor dimensions. These combinations require ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen or can easily find. Nut butter and cinnamon. Add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, almond butter, or cashew butter and a dash of cinnamon. This combination creates a rich, warming flavor, similar to a liquid cookie, and adds healthy fats. Berry burst. Frozen strawberries, blueberries, or mixed berries pair perfectly with banana. Berries introduce a tart counterpoint to the banana's sweetness and add powerful antioxidants and vibrant color. The green machine. Yes, you can add vegetables. Toss in a large handful of fresh spinach or kale. Spinach particularly works well because the banana and other flavors completely mask the green, earthy taste, providing a huge dose of vitamins without affecting the flavor. Try adding just half a teaspoon of vanilla extract or a pinch of shredded coconut to explore other subtle flavor changes. Enjoy your power-packed banana smoothie. You now have the tools and techniques needed to make the absolute best banana smoothie at home. We have covered the fundamental recipe that relies on frozen bananas for creamy perfection, explored critical health benefits like sustained energy and digestive support, and offered easy ways to tailor the blend to your nutritional needs. This simple preparation takes less than 5 minutes but packs hours of energy and goodness. Do not wait for a special occasion. Choose one of the flavor customizations above and make a perfect smoothie tonight. It is the easiest choice you can make for a healthier, more balanced diet. Your banana smoothie is now fully customized and packed with nutrition. Experiment with flavors and make it your own. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.